Let me talk about Stream API operations. Stream API is introduced in Java 8, which provides a powerful and functional approach to processing a collection of data. It enables efficient operations on sequence of elements such as filtering, mapping, sorting, and reducing operation to be performed without modifying the original data source. Let me talk about filter. The filter method is also being introduced in Java 8, which used to select elements from a stream based on the given condition. The filter method returns the data based on the conditions. It helps to filter out unwanted data from a collection. If you want to get the data from the any collection class, then whichever data do you want, we can get it by using the filter based on the condition. And we don't use any if condition and loop, then it is more functional way and concise way. The concise way means the code to be reduced by using Stream API. The filter is used to filter out unwanted data from a collection. We get the only wanted data. Then let me discuss with help of the example. Integer data equal arrays as list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The data have been taken. Then stream, what is the variable name? Data dot stream can be applied. Then dot, then filter. Then filter means predicate is null. Then you keep the condition over here. Based on the condition, the filter is returns. Then I want to take the one element at a time from the collections. The first we will get the 1, after that we get the 2, after we get the 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Filter method will take the one after another from the collection, then filter out. Let me put the condition, then n arrow symbol, because this is called as the lambda expression. Then I will put the condition n modulus 2 equal to 0, because based on the condition, what happens, it will take the n value is 1, then 1 modulus 2, the remainder is 0 or not. Okay, if the 0 condition returns true, otherwise which returns false. Then I want to get the data for each statement. Then system dot out, I would like to use method reference println. I would like to display each and every element of the filter println. Look at here, the filter method which will collect the data one after another from the stream, okay, from this collection. Then it check the condition, because whichever condition is returns true, those data will be returned by the filter. Then I can display those data by using the forEach. forEach statement is used to collect the one after another, then that will be displayed. This is called as the method reference syntax. Okay, this is called as the object class name. This is called a scope resolution operator. This is called a println is a method. Then whether the filter method returns wanted data or not, because I want to get the even numbers, because here we don't use any traditional loops, traditional if condition. We use the stream API method is called as the filter, and also use the for each statement. Save it once. Let me run this application. Then what are the data we want? 2, 4, 6. Based on the condition, it returns the data. Let me talk about the map. Condition, you can keep any condition over here. I will take the another condition. N greater than 3. Because n value is first 1, it will check. After the 2, 3, 4, 5. Then based on the condition, what is the output we get? Expected output is 4, 5, 6. What are the elements are greater than 3? Greater than 3, 4, 5, 6. Whether that answer will get or not, check it once. Let me run this application. then what we expected the output is 4, 5, 6. The map method is used to apply a function to every element in a stream and returns new stream of the result. It means that the map method which will take the each and every element from the stream and do some processing and returns a new stream of the result. If you have the list of the items and want to change or convert to each one, we must use the map. Okay, once we go through the example, you can understand. I will use map for the same example. Map lambda expressions, then n multiplied with 2. Because the map which will take every element from the collections or stream, then first n value becomes 1, then 1 multiplied with 2, then what is the answer is 1, then 2, 2 multiplied with 2, 4, then 3 multiplied with 2, 6, then 4 multiplied with 2, 8, then 5 multiplied with 2, 10, the 6 multiplied with 2, 12. Okay, that is the our expected output 10, 12. Let me run these applications. Then 2, 4, because it will take the each and every element from the stream or collection and do some processing. It returns the again new result. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, this is the way we can use the map, because we can take the data and do some processing. You can apply the map function and it returns the new result. Then I will apply both filter and map. Then here, then filter, I will also use the filter here. Then filter, then same. I will use filter, then n modulus, n lambda expression. Then same condition I would like to use n greater than 3. Then the filter the data. First it filter the data based on this condition, then 4, 5, 6. Then map will apply for only for the elements 4, 5, 6. Then 4 multiplied with 2, 8. Then next 5 multiplied with 2, 10. Then 6. Because the map filter will returns what data? 4, 5, 6. Then map will apply only on those data. 4, 5, 6. Then it multiply with 2, 8, 10, 12. Let me talk about reduce method. It is used to combine all the elements of a stream into a single result. If you want to perform such as some product, maximum number and minimum number, it performs a reduction on the elements using a binary operation, a function that takes two arguments and returns one value. It means it takes two arguments but which returns only one value as the final. Sum is if you want to perform sum operations, product and maximum and min. In such cases, we have to use a reduce method. Let me write the example for the reduce method. I will use the reduce method in the same example. Reduce identity is the first argument. The second one will take the two inputs as argument, the lambda expression, then a plus b, then semicolon. It reduces the operations which will be stored in the variable sum. Let me really should use the dot operator over here. Then I want to display system now dot print ln sum equal plus sum, variable name is sum. Because the reduce method will returns the single value, that's why I have taken the integer sum. Here what is the result will be written by the filter only 4, 5, 6, already we have seen in previous example. Map, every element will be multiplied with 2, then 8, 10, 12, that will be produced by the map method. Then first identity mean 0 equal to 0, a value becomes 0 and b value will get from the stream. The b value is what is the first value will be written by the map? 10, sorry 8. Okay, then a value 0, identity a value 0, the b value is 8, then 0 plus 8, then 8 again. Okay, the expression value will be 8. Now again the next iteration, the a value becomes 8, Then b value should be, what is the second value is provided by the map? 10. Okay, then b value is 10. Then like that, a value is what? 8 plus 10, 18. Then 18 will be returns and a value becomes 18. Then b value becomes 12. Then sum operation will be, finally the single value will be returns, that will be stored in the variable sum. Reduce method which will returns only single value. Okay, which will be apply the reduction on the given data, then which will returns only single value as the output. Then that will be displayed over here. I will run this application, save it once. Sum value would be 30. 12 plus 18, what is the sum value? Finally 30.